Representing our alumni in public service, we now welcome Nabonas Councilor Cesar Justin Santos from Batch 2013. Let's give him a warm round of applause.
Hi, viewers. I'm CJ Santos. I'm from the Batch 2013 of St. James Avenue, Malabon, and currently serving as a City Councilor of Navotas. First, I would like to thank St. James Avenue for a decade of learning that helped me shape my life. Thanks to our Christmas fundraise, our outreach programs, dahil sa mga yan, I've learned to know the feeling of helping others, na siya rin tumulong sa akin para maramdaman at matutunan na hindi mahirap ang tumulong sa iba. Our everyday rosaries, Biblia Rasal, Angelus, opening and closing prayers of every subject, and our novena every rosary month made me really closer to God. Since then, hindi na buo ang sinundo kapag hindi nakaten ng Sunday Mass at hindi nakapagdasal bago matulog. I miss those enrollment days that I was so excited to know who will be my classmates and what section will be the best team for the interview. The late or tardiness league taught me to always do the best, to be punctual. The blue and yellow paper made me disciplined, even with my haircut, up to the present time. The guidance office and the prefect of students' office are the most terrifying offices. And because of those offices, students were used to do what is good and what is right, even in the life after school. Being a class officer, leadership is one of the skills that I've learned in St. James Academy, that I was able to instill and apply in my current mandate. I've learned to lead righteously with discipline, without discounting the feelings of my classmates then, and now the constituents that I serve. With every schoolwork and daily assignment that I have to do, before doing anything else, to be able to walk up in the stage in the auditorium in our quarterly honors assembly. The school made me develop my objectivity that I was able to use during my college days, and especially now in my work as a public servant. Lastly, I would like to thank St. James Academy because I found my longtime partner, which is now my fiancée, and I am not in doubt that she will be a better half because as a fellow gamer, I know she also lives with the values and learnings from our beloved St. James Academy. Higit sa mga aralin na dapat matutunan ng isang mag-aaral, malaki ang naitutulong ng St. James Academy bilang isang katolikong paaralan sa paghubog ng karakter at pagkatao ng isang individual. Hindi na para sa pagiging mabuting tao, kundi maging mapagmahal sa Diyos upang maging makatao, maka-Diyos, makakalikasan, at makabayan. Happy 100 years, St. James Academy Malabon. Mabuhay at maraming salamat po.
Once again, that is Mr. Navotas Councilor Cesar Justin Santos from Batch 2013.